How to save a video from CapCut to your gallery. This tutorial shows you how to export your edited video directly to your Android device. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. After that, tap on New Project to start a new editing project. From there, select the photo or video you want to work with from your gallery and tap Add to import it. At this point, make any edits you want, such as adding music, text, filters, or transitions. In the next step, once you are happy with your edits, tap on the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. Following this, CapCut will begin processing and exporting your video. Once done, wait for the export to complete. This may take a few seconds depending on the length and quality of your video. Finally, once the export is finished, your video will be automatically saved to your gallery, and you'll see a confirmation screen with options to share it directly to other platforms. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you save your video to your gallery, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.